Hydrofoil E-Jet Ski Flyway. The Hydrofoil E-Jet Ski Flyway is an innovation by David Vukovic, offering a new kind of water adventure. Unlike traditional jet skis, it uses a propeller drive to significantly reduce water friction, lowering energy consumption by up to 70%. Its integrated Bluetooth speaker and easy-to-read display make it not just fun, but practical for long rides. With its ability to be easily disassembled, this jet ski is perfect for thrill seekers who love to travel. Jet Capsule GTF. The Jet Capsule GTF by Pierpaolo Lazzarini is a luxurious, spaceship-like watercraft that can reach a top speed of 60 knots. Built with a blend of carbon fiber and fiberglass, it's as sleek as it is powerful. This customizable boat can accommodate various passenger configurations, making it perfect for both personal luxury and business travel. Speed, style, and sophistication meet in this futuristic marvel. Jet Cycle Max. Pedal your way to an eco-friendly adventure with the Jet Cycle Max. Powered entirely by human effort, this single-seat hydrofoil boat offers a unique experience of flying over the water. Weighing just 35 kilograms, it's light, responsive, and perfect for calm lakes or gentle waters. For those who want to enjoy the thrill of hydrofoiling without a motor, this is the perfect ride. E-Dorado 8S. The E-Dorado 8S is an eco-friendly, electric-powered hydrofoil boat that promises both luxury and sustainability. With retractable foils that reduce drag by 60%, it can reach a top speed of 38 knots. Its battery pack delivers a range of up to 40 nautical miles, making it ideal for long, serene cruises without harming the environment. The E-Dorado 8S combines elegance with cutting-edge technology, setting a new standard in green boating. Valo Hyperfoil. For adrenaline junkies, the Valo Hyperfoil is the ultimate electric hydrofoil. Capable of accelerating to 45 miles per hour in just 8 seconds, this high-performance vehicle offers unmatched agility and precision. Built from high-grade materials like carbon fiber and titanium, the Hyperfoil delivers a smooth, fast ride while being eco-friendly. Waveflyer Vola. The Waveflyer Vola is designed for those who seek peace and tranquility on the water. Its sleek hydrofoil design and low seating bring you closer to the water, offering a quiet and serene ride. Powered by an electric motor, this two-seater can glide silently for up to 4.5 hours on a single charge, making it perfect for long, eco-conscious journeys. Carver X. If speed and power are what you crave, the Carver X electric surfboard delivers. Equipped with dual jet propulsion systems, this board provides 10,000 watts of torque, allowing riders of all sizes to zoom across the water. With up to 40 minutes of ride time, it's the perfect choice for both beginners and seasoned surfers looking for an electric thrill. Lazzarini SeaJet. The Lazzarini SeaJet is a 23-meter hydrofoil vessel that combines speed and luxury. Capable of carrying 50 passengers at 69 knots, it's designed for both private luxury and high-speed transport. Its futuristic airline-inspired interiors and transparent solar panels make it a vessel of the future, offering a unique blend of performance and eco-conscious design. Humdinger. The Humdinger by Gibbs Technologies is an amphibious vehicle that effortlessly transitions from land to water. Powered by a diesel engine and capable of highway speeds on land and 30 miles per hour on water, this versatile vehicle is perfect for both adventurous individuals and emergency responders. With its four-wheel drive and rapid transition capabilities, the Humdinger can tackle any terrain or waterway. Seabob Rescue. The Seabob Rescue is a cutting-edge watercraft designed for life-saving missions. It can operate both above and below the water, diving up to 40 meters deep. Lightweight, yet powerful, it's equipped with advanced materials like carbon fiber and corrosion-resistant metals. Ideal for swift rescue operations, it's both efficient and reliable in critical situations. Himiko Waterbus. The Himiko Waterbus is a unique sightseeing boat operating in Tokyo, Japan. Designed to resemble a spaceship, It offers panoramic views of the city through its glass walls and roof. This water bus provides a one-of-a-kind experience for tourists, allowing them to enjoy the city's iconic waterfront while riding in style. Racebird. Designed for high-speed, all-electric racing, the Racebird is the first of its kind. Created for the E1 World Championship, this foil racing boat can reach speeds of over 50 knots. Its 150-kilowatt battery and streamlined design make it a formidable contender on the water, all while promoting environmentally friendly marine technology. Crin K7. The Crin K7 is a revolutionary vessel that combines the speed of a monohull with the stability of a trimaran. Built using Formula One technology, this carbon fiber boat is designed for both speed and fuel efficiency, reducing water resistance by up to 80%. The K7's adaptable design allows it to shift shapes while in motion, making it one of the most innovative boats on the market. Galaxy of Happiness. The Galaxy of Happiness is a luxury trimaran that offers both high-speed performance and eco-friendly cruising. Powered by two 2,600 horsepower diesel engines, it can reach a top speed of 30 knots while consuming 40% less energy than traditional yachts. With its spacious interior and jacuzzi on deck, this yacht is the epitome of opulence and sustainability. Wokart. The Wokart is like a go-kart for the water, offering fast, responsive handling with its asymmetric catamaran layout. Its mid-mounted outboard engine allows for sharp 90-degree turns and rapid acceleration. Whether for leisure or thrill-seeking, the Wokart is a fun, compact watercraft that makes waves wherever it goes. Iguana Pro Interceptor. Built for high-speed intercepts and extractions, the Iguana Pro Interceptor is an amphibious boat designed for law enforcement and defense. Capable of landing on any surface and reaching speeds of 50 knots, this vessel is ideal for quick, high-stakes missions. Its robust design and amphibious capabilities make it versatile for a range of challenging operations. Earthling Stealth E40. The Earthling Stealth E40 power catamaran combines solar, wind, and efficient propulsion to maximize its independence and eco-friendliness. With a carbon fiber hull and automatic energy gathering systems, this vessel redefines sustainable luxury. Designed for long-range, off-grid cruising, the E40 offers comfort, performance, and eco-conscious design in a single package. Lazzarini Royal Alpha 1. The Royal Alpha 1 is a 65-foot luxury yacht built with a sleek carbon fiber and glass exterior. Inside, it boasts private jet-inspired interiors, including a rooftop deck with a glass-bottomed hot tub. With twin Volvo engines, the Royal Alpha 1 can reach speeds of 40 knots, making it both a stylish and powerful option for the discerning elite. Pearl Suites. Imagine drifting on the water in a futuristic, solar-powered pod. The Pearl Suites by Lazzarini offer just that, a floating hotel room fully equipped with air conditioning, refrigeration, and even an optional hydrogen fuel cell. Available in various configurations, these 7-meter pods are perfect for an off-grid, eco-friendly retreat. E1 Racebird. Created for high-speed, all-electric racing, the E1 Racebird is a pioneer in sustainable marine sports. With a 150-kilowatt battery and the ability to reach over 50 knots, this foil racing boat is as fast as it is eco-friendly. Designed for head-to-head competitions, it represents the future of electric racing on the water. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting updates on the latest innovations.